Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You might be wondering, how do you set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI? Well, this one is pretty simple. You just need to access a few things. First, let's talk about proxies. Can you use proxies for any of your chats or characters? Well, this depends on the character itself. Usually, when you open up the character info and scroll down to the bottom, you should see whether proxies are allowed. For example, this character in the chat allows proxies, so you may want to check that first. If proxies are allowed, you can move on to the next step. Now, if you can use proxies, what you need to do is click on Continue and go to your proxy settings. Click on the 3-bar menu icon at the top right of the screen. From there, select API Settings. Under API Settings, you'll see the Proxy option. In the Proxy section, click Add Configuration at the top right. Here, you'll need to enter details such as the configuration name, model name, proxy URL, and API key. To get these details, we'll be using Janitor AI. First, create an account by clicking on the profile icon at the top right and signing in. Once you're signed in, go to the search bar and type DeepSeek. Press Enter, and you'll see different models. I personally like using DeepSeek v3 Base. Click on it and copy the model name. Then go back to your API configuration and paste it in the model name section. For the proxy URL, use the one provided by Janitor. Copy it and paste it into the URL field. I'll also leave this in the description for convenience. As for the API key, this part is optional but highly recommended. Go back to Janitor, click on your profile at the top right, and select Keys. Create a new API key by giving it a name like Janitor Test. Copy the key and paste it into your API configuration. You can also add custom prompts if you want, but that's optional. Once everything is filled out, click Add Configuration. Now make sure to select your proxy, especially if you have multiple proxies configured. Save the settings, and if it says you've changed the API, click Yes. You should now see Using Proxy on the screen. Before you start using it, reload the chat page and type something like, "Hello." The model should respond. If you encounter errors or it doesn't respond properly, try reloading the chat again, since it may take a moment to work smoothly. Once it responds correctly, you're good to go. And that's about it. So that's basically how you can set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.